Hello students, in this video we shall see how to find square roots easily, maybe in a step. I have written some problems. We see it is very difficult to find square roots of these numbers, but if we know basics, if we know these squares, then we can find square roots of these numbers very easily, provided these are perfect squares. So students, for doing any simple things, we should know the basics very well. Now these basics are squares of numbers. I recommend you should learn squares up to 30. I have written here squares up to 20, but we should learn up to 30. And we can keep in mind, see here, 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 1. We get 1 at the units place. Then in 2 and 8 we get 4 at the units place. 3 and 7 we get 9 at the units place. Then 6 and then 5. Same we find here. 1 at the units place, then 4, then 9, then 6 and then 5. This means if units place is 9 here, the square root of the number should contain either 3 or 7 in the units place. This we should understand. If it is 4, then 4 we get in 12 and 18. So units place should be either 2 or 8. If we understand these things, now let us find how to find square root of these numbers in a step. We omit these two letters. What is remaining is 22. Now we find the squares here. We know 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, this is 22, which lies between 16 and 25. And so we take the smaller number 16, its square root is 4. So for this answer, first we write 4, and then the units place, it can be either 3 or 7. Now see, if we find 40 square and 50 square, 40 square will be 1600 and 50 square will be 2500. This number lies between these two, and we can check it is near to 50. If it is near to 50, out of these two we will get the greater number, so answer should be 47, and so we get square root of 2209 is equal to 47. I hope you have understood this. So we move ahead to the second question. The second question is square root of 3844. Again, these two elements we omit. Now we are left with this number 38. Now check the squares. 6 square 36, 7 square 49. That is 38, lying between 36 and 49. So what should be the first number here? 6. Now since it is 4, units place 4 we get in 2 and 8. So we have to write either of these two. See this number 3844. It is near to 3600, and so the answer should be 62. Got it? Third one, root of 4096. Now try to think over with me. This is 96, so number remaining here is 40. We know 6 square 36, 7 square 49. So what should be the first digit here? 6. Now we see 40 is near to 3600 as compared to 4900. And so since units place is 6 over here, we get 6 at these two places. The answer should be 64. The next number, root of 9801. This is 0198. 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. So we have to write first 9. Now check the units place 1. 1 we get here and here. Now whatever number we are getting 9801, it is near to 10,000 as compared to 8100. So we have to write a greater number, that is 9. The next fifth sum, root of 11149. This is 49, a pair, and this is 111. Now we see 11 square is 121 and 10 square is 100. 111 lies between these two, 10 square and 11 square, and so I have to write 10 over here. Now I have to check for this 9. 9 appears in 3 square and 7 square, so I have to write either 3 or 7. Now this number is near to what number? Is it near to 10,000 or 12,000? 100. This number is near to it seems near to this number, and so we will have to write the greater number in this case, so I have to write 7 over here. Next is 20164. Again this is 64. This number is 201. We can see 14 square is 196, 15 square is 225. I have to write 14 over here. Number is nearer to 196000, 19600, and so if it is 4, we get 4 in 2 and 8, so we have to write 2. So we get square roots of these numbers. So this can be found orally if we know these squares. Thank you.